Hello YouTube, welcome back to DarthNiko Games. So, Wolverines Gaming is over here at my house for about an hour and a half, and we decided what better use of our time than to disassemble this wireless mouse that I broke from dropping it. I think I dropped it probably over like 20 times, legit. And, yeah, I thought it would last forever. It didn't, spoiler alert. So now we're going to be making the best use of it that we can by disassembling it. Let's do this.
Yay.
Alright, so the tools that we have are the trusty screwdriver here.
Yes.
With the multitude of different screws. Let's see, how many is this? This is 8 different screw types. That's pretty nice. And so yeah, here's the mouse. I hope that you guys can see everything. But so the mouse, this basically, if you take a look at it, there's really no screws on the outside, but fortunately we have this on the inside.
Oh yeah.
There's a screw. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a screw deep within there, and we are going to unscrew that and we will see what happens. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, so we want to turn it lefty. You know those rhymes will come in handy someday.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is.
Got it.
Here
it's
is
unscrewed.
Yes. So now, oh, here we go. This is like the moment of what the heck will happen.
What, there's still something up there?
Yeah, it looks like it feels like there's something up there.
Yeah. Let me see it.
Don't break anything.
I say we smash it.
Okay. All right, we're gonna try to just pry it open.
By force.
Via force.
Yes.
And the force, because
Yeah.
I am DarthNiko, you know.
Ooh, looks pretty special in there.
Oh yeah, that is special on the inside.
Ooh,
Oh,
he snapped it.
Wait, hold on.
That's cool.
I think it was actually intended to just be snapped like that.
Yeah.
Like, can we put it back together? Oh yeah, okay, there we go. We can put it back together. So it was just intended to kind of be pried apart by force. Great design.
Can you get it back?
Got
there
it.
you go.
Okay, so.
It looks like, that's funny. This is
Okay.
what the inside of that looks like. The
You gotta put it down there. Yeah, so this is like the inside of this. Yeah, that's crazy. So there is a click function. Oh, so yeah, when the scroll wheel clicks, what is that pushing down on? What is it pushing down on? Trying to. Oh wait, wrong way. Okay, so I see there's.
Oh, right there.
Oh.
Oh, you broke it.
I broke a transistor. Oh, it's pushing down on this.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. I kind of wish now that that it still worked. That way we could like just press the different things.
Oh yeah.
So, okay, and this is left click and right click.
Oh nice.
So left click, right click. That is so cool. And then all these other things do things. I bet this is like some sort of. This might be the antenna that looks for this receptor. So let's read what's down on here. It says Logitech Piccolo Dagger. I wonder if that's like the code name of whatever it is. I don't know. Huh. So yeah, now these buttons here, they don't click. Well, like they kind of do, but
not what they're supposed to.
Not as they're intended to. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the scroll wheel is held by like some sort of wire that keeps it all in place, but it's still able to, you know, maintain perfectly smooth scrolling. And then I just realized, how do they know like where's the detection that you're scrolling? I wonder. I bet it's these guys, like these on the side here.
Yeah.
Huh.
Probably somehow.
That is so cool. So now, do we Hulk smash or do we not?
We Hulk smash.
We Hulk. Okay. That's the TV remote. I need that.
Spare the TV.
Spare the TV remote. We braked it, guys.
Yeah.
and broke it. Oh wait, hold on. This is the laser. It's the laser.
Oh yeah, it is.
Duh. I can't believe that we didn't realize that. This is the laser. Zoom.
Why do mouses even have lasers?
Because that's how it tells where
detects
you're moving.
it. Oh yeah.
So there's like some sort of microchip there. You can see, like that's
Oh
it.
yeah.
That's some sort of processor.
In science class, we looked at a microchip under a microscope, and it was really cool.
Yeah.
So complicated in that tiny little
Yeah,
thing.
it's ridiculous. Technology. Comment down below. Where did the two? Oh, here we go. Now we can find out.
Ooh, nice.
Whoa. All right,
That's
that
cool.
worked.
It's a whole other dimension.
Yes. So yeah, at the bottom of every motherboard, there's spiky things.
Yes.
But yes, cool. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like us to break more things, then send us your broken things, because we're not
Yes.
going to break our own things. Like, for real.